Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about the EGL to PL distance. So this distance can be 2 feet, it can be 3 feet, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the basic idea is that we do not live on the EGL on the existing ground level, or we do not live on the ground level. We do not live on the ground level because if we live on the ground level, then there is a good chance that water will enter into our houses. That's why we live a bit above that level. So how much above should be our plinth level from the existing ground level? That is the question. So that actually depends on a few factors. That is how much water does retain, how much water does retain after the heavy rainfall, or the area's water level, how much water does rise up after rain, and all that information. And other than that, it also depends on if there is going to be a road elevation construction, meaning that if the roads are going to be elevated, in that case your plinth level should be higher. Otherwise some part of your entrance door may get covered by the elevated road. For example, let's say that the road used to be at this level, whatever this level is. Okay, let's just think that the roads used to be at this level, and they're saying that after an year the roads are going to be elevated to 1 feet due to water water levels, existing water levels. In that case, after 1 year they're going to elevate it by 1 feet, so the roads are going to be here. Okay. So these are the base decisions. These are the data that is looked at before taking a decision on how much above the PL should be from the EGL. And this decision is made by the structural designer. So the structural designer is going to tell you that the PL is 2 feet from EGL or 3 feet from EGL. So usually the minimum height from EGL to PL is 2 feet, but depending on the site conditions, the water level, or the future planning of roads and all of that, and how are other houses built nearby, all these decisions are called site conditions. So upon site conditions, the structural designer is going to tell you the difference from EGL to PL, the difference in elevation from EGL to PL. Okay, so from there you can just easily edit this up from 2 feet to 3 feet of maintenance. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to this. Thank you.